So ito guys, yung ating continuation sa vlog ko last night. So ganito pala siya guys, laruin. Napakasimple lang niya mga guys, kung ano yung lumabas sa card na word tsaka may picture, yun yung buuin mo na word. Maganda to siya kasi marami siyang cards at mai-enhance talaga yung vocabulary. So ayan mga guys, at tinatry ko buuin yung word na nasa card using the cubes na merong mga letra on it. Medyo slow pa ako dyan guys sa pagbuo kasi hindi ko pa master. Pero nakakawili siya laruin mga guys, lalo na kapag marami kayo. So, pwede ka ring maglaro dito na mag-isa, pwedeng dalawa, pwedeng tatlo, pwedeng apat. Well, depende sa inyo. Tapos, it has 4 different colors. May yellow, may blue, may pink, at saka green. You can also choose what color you wanted to. Ang nagagandahan ko dito is merong bell in which you are going to press the button tapos tutunog siya when you are done solving the word. Then the bell rings loudly. Well, magagamit ko talaga to siya whether here in our house or in my workplace. And lalaroin ko to together with my nephew and my niece when they are here. And I know this will be fun because there is a bell to know who is fast to finish. So that's all guys about my vlog for today. And I'll see you on my next vlog. And good day everyone.